Species, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks. Species, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2021, we have the Six of Cups. Quite likely in this period, Pisces, you were gripped by nostalgia. Possibly you were ruminating about the past. Incidentally, you are also somebody who would have benefited on accounts of your friends and acquaintances. Besides, I'm also picking up that there could have been an estrangement in a relationship, or for some of you, estranged people could have also wanted to re-enter your life. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Two of Cups. Certainly you desire overall contentment. You desire gains at work. Money issues could arise and it could be quite taxing. However, there will be those surprises. It's also the time to have fun and to relax or to smell the roses, even if you're carrying this energy of the Six of Cups into this month. Pisces, I'm also picking up that there could be somebody quite devious or somebody who acts like a sly fox. So you need to be careful of whom you discuss your plans. Influences for this month, we have the Four of Pentacles. Money issues could bother you. Maybe expenses will mount this month. Aside from money flowing out, you'll also have to deal with tension on the home front. Maybe you could be angry with the situation that you're going through. I think Pisces, you're also somebody who gets exasperated very quickly. And this in turn irks your dad or your father figure or your loved ones. For some Pisces, I'm also picking up that there could be a work offer, which is an outstation one, but then the money on offer could be ridiculously low. That is why you could decline the same. This month, your family members will also promote you. Perhaps they also have these suggestions, but then you are going to listen to your own soul. Those of you who are creatively inclined could feel a bit low because your creative idea could find no takers. Maybe it could be rejected. Maybe you think that you also have to approach another agent. While working, Pisces, I think you could be a bit hassled because your colleagues aren't systematic. At times, you could also feel that your ideas and findings are used by others and they are being proved to be true. Nevertheless, this month there will be gains through communication. The first 10 days, we have the Moon card. Possibly you're grappling with confusion. Maybe you are wondering whether which path you should take. I think you should follow your intuition because the moon talks about insight, dreams and vision. Perhaps you'll get an idea. Sometimes your loved ones may feel that you're able to manifest whatever you desire because you have the blessings of angels above. Incidentally, on the home front also, I think you need to take some responsibility. Maybe your loved ones feel that you're always dithering or that you don't want to take the honors. Maybe you could also be asked to contribute towards the family purse because we do have the Four of Pentacles energy. That is why you think that your pockets aren't too deep and you wonder how money will come in. Professionally, Pisces, I think you need to pull up your socks. You need to focus on work. The feedback that comes your way could not be too pleasing to your ears. I did say earlier in this reading that offers that come your way may not be up to the mark. That is why you could be a tad disappointed. Pisces, uncertainty could also rattle you a bit. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th May, we have the Ace of Swords. This is a positive energy because it is implying that you are going to be someone who is going to cut through the obstacles. I think you're also somebody who is going to benefit on account of your acquaintances. So maybe you should reach out to them and you should ask them to help you out in the situation that you are in. Perhaps you're a bit tentative and apprehensive about whether you should tap them, but then you should do the same. Changes in your schedule also quite likely. Maybe time is also at a premium. So make the most of the heightened energy that you have. It is your quick thinking and your quick decision which will help you make gains. Besides, I think deals are also going to be finalized very quickly and money could also come in. Nevertheless, Pisces, you should also avoid annoyance as it could have a bearing on your health. The last 10 days of the month, that is towards 21st to 31st May, we have the Death card. Change is quite likely, and this transitional phase may be a bit difficult, but then you should sail with the changes rather than put restrictions on yourself. Again, Pisces, you're also being called upon to attend to pressing matters. Possibly there'll be emergency situations and you'll have to act accordingly. However, you can take heart from the fact that the tasks will be done one after the other. Possibly you may have to settle for less than what you desire, but then something is better than nothing. You should also be careful because there could be unwanted attention that is coming your way. This month, Pisces, you should also guard against rivalry and backstabbing. If you recall, Pisces, earlier in this reading, I did say that you need to guard against a devious person. So you should watch your back. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Ivy clinging. Single Pisces, you can expect marriage proposals through matrimonial sites or dating sites, but then maybe you seem to be disinterested. Maybe your loved ones also wanting to play Cupid this month. Ideally, I think Pisces, you should not put limitations on yourself. Perhaps you should brush up on your dating skills. Perhaps you get cold feet and you're not ready for commitment. I think the whole idea of marriage could be unnerving for you. That is why you could develop cold feet. A particular admirer could expect you at a particular place, but then you could disappoint him. Incidentally, you should also guard against lecherous men. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you're going to be someone who's going to be deeply anguished by thoughts of your lover whom you are no longer in touch with. Possibly you also are deliberating whether you should renew contact with this person. But then you will stop short. Perhaps you feel that you are clinging to him. Oftentimes, Pisces, you could also be reading up on soulmate or twin flame relationship. You definitely believe that the union is on the cards even if you feel that there are delays and hiccups. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you will stumble upon personal details of your crush. Possibly this person is well educated and well established, and that is why your soul could begin to dance with joy. But there'll also be those days when you could be quite distressed. Maybe you think that there's no future in this relationship. Sometimes you may also feel it's time to let go of this person. That is why we do have the moon card here. Maybe you are confused about the status of this relationship. Perhaps this person also suffers from commitment phobia and he is more spiritually inclined. Mid-month is also the time when you could be forced to communicate with someone you have feelings for, but then you are a bit apprehensive about this connection. Maybe you're also disinclined, but then you will contact the person. Perhaps this person is also surprised to hear from you. The entire episode could be quite overwhelming for you. Romancing Pisces, it's quite likely this month you will be exchanging ideas with your person. You think he is quite creative and you are going to appreciate his work. Sometimes you will observe your person and you feel that he is egoistical. Maybe his ego is hurt because there's a contemporary who questions his ideas. Nevertheless, there'll be those brief conversations. Romancing Pisces, I think there will be those times when you'll be a bit baffled or perplexed because this person isn't as demonstrative as you would have liked. Maybe there's a wall of silence that is there between the two of you. And sometimes you may also feel as though it's always you who's making the effort to reach out to him. On the other hand, those of you who are married, maybe you're distressed on account of your spouse's ill health. Your spouse is also somebody who could make an issue out of inane matters. Possibly the food could be something which could lead to arguments. Ideally, I think Pisces, you should avoid arguments. Also, you should be careful because there could be a third person who is creating discord. In case you are in an unhappy relationship, I think you shouldn't put up with domestic violence. I think Pisces, you should also be mindful and respect the wishes of your person. Perhaps you should be a bit more tolerant rather than expect this person to be at your beck and call. Maybe you're going to accuse her or him of being inattentive to your needs. Last but not the least, we have the card emerging into grace. The universe is definitely watching your back. You need to realize that all is well. Perhaps you need to relax a bit and let go, for you're being divinely guided. Quite simply, you're being called upon to be grateful for all the blessings that are coming your way, as this is definitely going to open more doors for you. I hope Pisces you liked your reading This is Star with Ariana Star. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insights into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.